Hey everybody, it's Dagan again, back with a quick tip video. Today's video is about mustache wax. Before you get into that, please remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you know any future content coming up, and please remember to hit that like button while you're in here. And if you have any comments about what I'm talking about in this video, please leave in the description, the comment section below, as well as any kind of products or tips and tricks that you'd like to see in the future. All right, let's go ahead and get into this tip. Like I said, we're going to be talking about a tip about mustache wax. Have you ever got a mustache wax and hoping to style your mustache and keep it styled all day, and so you wouldn't have to reapply? And that's kind of goes more to the more medium and a little bit lighter side mustache wax, because a strong whole mustache wax is generally going to keep your mustache styled all day. But let's talk about more about the medium and a little bit lighter side mustache wax. But like I said, do you want to apply a mustache wax without having to reapply it and keep it styled throughout the day? Well, the simple tip is just apply a little more mustache wax. This is from my own experiences dealing with, lighter and medium mustache waxes. Well, but really more specific about the mediums, because if you put a little bit more of the medium style mustache wax in your mustache, my experiences, I didn't really have to reapply during the day, because we put a little more wax in there, it just kept my mustache styled all day like I wanted it. So, but when it comes to the lighter, even though you put more mustache wax to the lighter side in your stash wax, I did find it, even towards the end of the day, I felt like I needed to reapply, but it did last a little bit longer, versus putting a little, a little bit less in there. So, like I said, just a really simple, easy tip. Just, put more mustache wax in your mustache to help keep it styled all day. And just hope you like this video. So if you have any comments about this, please leave in the description below, as well as any future content that you'd like me to bring up, any kind of tips, any kind of products you'd like me to review. Please leave them in the comment section below. And remember, keep your beards and mustaches healthy. Until next video.